3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. If you want a cookie without the flour but love peanut butter, got the cookie for you. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and let's sweeten things up. Okay, we're going to take 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm using chunky peanut butter today, but you can use creamy if you'd like, and 1 egg. All right, now that we just have the 3 ingredients in there, we're just going to blend them together until all combined. All right, now that we've got the dough all combined and the egg is distributed evenly, we're going to go ahead and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And we're going to scoop out about a tablespoon's worth of dough onto the cookie sheet. Now keep in mind, these are not going to spread too much, so we don't have to keep them too far apart. All right, now we're just going to take a fork. Take the back of the fork and just press it down. Make a crisscross with the fork. Now that we've got them all pressed with the fork, we're going to put them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. So we're just going to look for a golden brown on the outside. Okay, we just got the cookies out of the oven. This took about, I'd say 9 to 10 minutes for the edges to start browning up. So now we're going to let this sit for about another 2 to 3 minutes on the pan before we transfer them to a cooling rack. All right, the cookies have been cooled off and they smell great. So let's get David in here to try some. David, I know you don't like peanut butter, but hey, come on in. And actually, this was his idea to try. It was.
I saw a recipe. She likes these things. Yeah, that's about it. So I was being nice.
It's 3 ingredients. I mean, you can't go wrong, right? And it's especially if you don't like flour.
Or
it doesn't have flour in there.
Give
Here, go ahead and try it. It was a very easy recipe to do. Any one of us can do it.
I'm going to give you a fair shake on these, okay? They're actually not bad. Their texture is different. It's like crispy, kind of, weirdly.
A little bit, yeah.
I actually
There's
like
no flour.
I actually like these. I can't eat too many because they're kind of rich.
They are.
But sweet. They're definitely better than the traditional peanut butter cookie, which is gross. It's gross. But these are bad. I got to admit, I'm actually kind of impressed with these. Maybe it's because they're so simple and they don't have a lot of flour in them.
They are very simple.
Yeah, those are okay. I can eat those.
So easy to do. And if you don't want flour in your cookie, this is the best one for you.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
So
yeah, it's not chocolate chip. It's not snickerdoodle.
You got to trust the process.
Yeah.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Have a great day.
Yeah. See you guys later.
See ya.